What's up, guys? It's Jorge Vergara coming at you with my first stash video. Well, let's get started. Show you what I got. Got a fucking Thunder and Gold, Ghetto Blaster, Area 51, Midnight Chaos, un Solar Power, Squad Leader. Got a box of these Whistling Thunders. Got a box of these ground bloom flowers, come 20 in pieces, look like this. And I got one of estos crazy, what's called crazy boom flowers, some bird egg crackers. I got a box of these Warhead artillery, compact like this. Está eso. Aquí tengo some little shit, some quick fuse, cannon fuse. They got a few packs of those. Freaking few of those. Few of these color pearl. Unas pinches. What does it say? Alien Slayer. Roman candles. Some freaking Night Stalker rockets. Some Silver Fox bottle. Whistling chasers. Bootleggers. So I got a case of these pro canisters. 24-1. Ya sabes. Some case of these demon shells. Yeah. A freaking case of these X-Cal. Got some old school rockets. Some alien warriors. You know, pinches jet streamers. But yeah, that's it for that. But trying to look up for a plug, connect anyone. I stay in Southern Idaho. Anyone in the Northwest that knows a wholesaler that wants to hit me up. So aquí, hold up, I'll freaking give you my info. It's the set. Ahora pues is George Burley at gmail.com. All lowercase. And or hit me up on my phone 208-219-3237. Por si alguien sabe, alguien que tenga bombas de 3 pulgadas, ahí dime or whatever. Show me a text, hit me up, call me. And yeah, pero leave a comment, tell me what, si sabes, what you like and shit. But this for now, late.